this Cajun feeling. When I get to New Orleans, somebody's gotta treat me right. I remember the night down in Bourbon Street, and I feel like I go insane. Yeah, I remember the kiss by the river bowl, and we were dancing in the rain. I remember the night down in Bourbon Street, where the stars on the sidewalk shine. Jambalaya, crawfish pie, made a day, making gumbo, drinking homemade wine. Take the train to New Orleans to see my Creole baby. Through the night of Alabama, can smell the engine steam. On my way to New Orleans, I can feel the wheels are rumbling. In the train to New Orleans, I fade away into my dreams. I remember the night down in Bourbon Street, and I feel like I go insane. Yeah, I remember the kiss by the river bowl, and we were dancing in the rain. I remember the night down in Bourbon Street, where the stars on the sidewalk shine. Jambalaya, crawfish pie, made a day, making gumbo, drinking homemade wine. I remember the night down in Bourbon Street, and I feel like I go insane. Yeah, I remember the kiss by the river bowl, and we were dancing in the rain. I remember the night down in Bourbon Street, where the stars on the sidewalk shine. Jambalaya, crawfish pie, made a day, making gumbo, drinking homemade wine.
This dance is called Dancing in the Rain, choreographed by Robbie, McGowan, and Hickie. It's a 64 count, 2-wall intermediate level line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Cross rock, recover, side shot, say, cross, side, say, lur step. Section 2, cross, quarter turn to right, shuffle, half to right, step, pivot, quarter turn to right, cross, shuffle. Section 3, quarter turn to left, back, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Section 4, side rock, recover, forward, side rock, recover, forward, rock forward, recover, shuffle, half to right. Section 5, rock forward, recover, behind, side, cross, side, together, cross, shuffle. Section 6, quarter turn to right, cross rock, recover, quarter turn to left, rock back, recover. Section 7, chasse, quarter turn to left, full turn to left, half turn to left, rock forward, recover, coaster, cross. Last section, side rock, recover, forward, side rock, recover, forward, rock forward, recover, shuffle, half to left. And you start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In this dance, at the end of wall 2, facing 12 o'clock, there's a 16 count tag, starting with the right foot. Section 1, rock 4, recover, shuffle half to right, rock 4, recover, coaster step. Section 2, repeat section 1 of the tag. I will do the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you start again, facing 12 o'clock. 好，现在我来为大家用中文讲解。第一个8拍右脚开始，跨、回、旁恰恰，跨、旁 sailor step。第二个8拍跨、右转，再往右边转，180，前、右转，跨恰恰。第三个8拍左转以后，退、退，后并前，前锁。前锁步。第四个8拍，旁回前，旁回前，前回往右边转180。第5个8拍，前回后旁跨，旁并跨恰恰。第6个8拍，右转右转跨回左转左转后回。第7个8拍。旁并左转往左边，后转，后转，前回，后并跨。最后一个8拍，旁回前，旁回前，前回往左边转180。然后再重新开始。这条舞在第2个方向跳完之后，面对12点钟，要加一个16拍的 tag， 是右脚开始。第一个8拍，前回往右边转180，前回后并前。第二个8拍，重复刚刚的8拍，我来数拍子 ：1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8。然后从12点再开始。